For years, many of us were told to avoid oils at all costs, especially those with oily or acne-prone skin. But the truth is, our skin needs oil. The key is choosing the oils for your unique skin type and concerns. Hi there, beautiful. Welcome to my channel. Today, I will be showing you the best facial oils, their benefits and uses. Please take a moment to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. It costs nothing, just a few seconds of your time, and I would really appreciate it. First up, we have Jojoba Oil, a true skincare superhero. What makes Jojoba Oil so special is its ability to mimic our skin's natural sebum. This means it can actually help regulate oil production, keeping your skin balanced and happy. If you're looking for a lightweight moisturizer that won't leave you feeling greasy, Jojoba Oil is definitely worth adding to your skincare arsenal. Next, let's talk about Rosehip Oil, a true rock star in the anti-aging department. This luxurious oil is jam-packed with essential fatty acids and antioxidants, which work together to repair and rejuvenate your skin from the inside out. It's incredibly effective at reducing the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and scars. So if you're looking for a natural way to turn back the clock, Rosehip Oil is definitely worth considering. Now, let's move on to another skincare icon, Argan Oil, often referred to as liquid gold. Argan Oil is rich in vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that helps shield your skin from environmental damage. Whether you have dry, sensitive, or mature skin, Argan Oil can work wonders to restore your skin's natural radiance and vitality. Get ready to be amazed by Marula Oil, a luxurious treat that will leave your skin feeling pampered and revitalized. This incredible oil is derived from the fruit of the marula tree and is packed with antioxidants and fatty acids that work wonders for all skin types. Marula oil is also known for its ability to reduce redness and inflammation, making it a godsend for those with sensitive or irritated skin. Next up is Squala Oil, a true game-changer for anyone looking for weightless hydration. This amazing oil is naturally found in our skin's sebum, making it incredibly compatible and non-comedogenic. Squalane oil is also a powerful antioxidant, helping to protect your skin from environmental damage and premature aging. It's a true multitasker that deserves a spot in your skincare routine. Let's talk about tea tree oil, a powerful essential oil known for its potent antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Tea tree oil works by penetrating deep into the pores to fight acne-causing bacteria and reduce inflammation. However, it's important to remember that tea tree oil is very potent and should always be diluted with a carrier oil like jojoba oil or coconut oil before applying it to your skin. Next, we have Grape Seed Oil, a lightweight and easily absorbed oil that's packed with antioxidants. Grape seed oil is also naturally astringent, which means it can help to balance oil production and minimize the appearance of pores. And here's a fun fact. Grape seed oil is a byproduct of winemaking, so not only is it good for your skin, but it's also a sustainable choice. Now, let's look at Tamanu Oil, a true powerhouse when it comes to skin healing and regeneration. Tamanu oil is renowned for its ability to promote cell growth and repair, making it incredibly effective at reducing the appearance of scars, stretch marks, and other blemishes. If you're looking for a natural way to heal and transform your skin, Tamanu oil is definitely worth adding to your skincare routine. Let's unlock the secrets of Chamelia Seed Oil, a luxurious oil that has been treasured for centuries in Japan, particularly by geishas, for its remarkable beauty benefits. Chamelia seed oil is rich in vitamins A, B, D, and E, making it a powerhouse of antioxidants that help protect your skin from environmental damage and premature aging. If you're looking for a luxurious oil that will nourish, protect, and enhance your natural beauty, Chamelia seed oil is an excellent choice. Of course, we have to include coconut oil, a multi-purpose wonder that has taken the beauty world by storm. Coconut oil is a great option for those with dry skin who are looking for intense moisture. However, there's a catch. Coconut oil is also highly comedogenic, which means it can clog pores and lead to breakouts for some people, especially those with oily or acne-prone skin. Last but definitely not the least, we have olive oil, a kitchen staple that also happens to be a fantastic natural moisturizer. Olive oil is rich in vitamins E and K, as well as antioxidants that help fight free radical damage and protect against premature aging. Whether you use it as a body moisturizer, a hair mask, or even a gentle makeup remover, olive oil is a versatile and affordable addition to your beauty routine. And that's a wrap on facial oils. Coming up, I will be sharing videos looking at each of these oils individually, so stay tuned and make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss out. Remember, finding the right oil for your skin type is key to unlocking its full potential. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more skincare tips and insights. See you next time and stay beautiful.